fuera un animal.
Emotional damage. Emotional damage.
Oh, I'm gonna freak people out, okay? I'm not gonna play the whole game, okay? I'm not gonna win this game. I know I'm not gonna win this game. Okay, so I'm gonna get focused. I'm not gonna play around. I'm gonna get focusing right now, okay? So we're going to the circle. I'm gonna go to the circle. I need to go to the circle. So I don't have a sniper. Yo estaba en caddy. Okay.